Got a 2026 Jeep Gladiator JT. Today's video, I'm going to be installing another Bulletpoint mounting solutions bracket. This time I'm going on the passenger side with a MagSafe mount that's non-charging, plus a mount to mount a CB radio. Very simple process. If you've seen me do the install on the driver's side, it's pretty much the same thing except for the CB mount, which I will show you how to do. I'm going to open it up. This is how it ships. In the video description, I will have a link where you can purchase your own. Very good company. Here's one of your ball mounts for a CB holder. Shipping instructions. Here's another GoPro mount. We got boxes on boxes here. So open this one up. The swag, gotta have that swag. It ain't official unless you have the swag. There's your mount for your cell phone. Swag, swag, swag. There's another mount for your CD holder. As you can see, one has a shorty and one has a long tube. I like the carbon fiber effect. Different angles, it almost looks like it's blue to match my Hydro Blue Gladiator. We go to the next box. Boom, you know you had to have that swag. Open it up. I figured out what this was. This is called the F key, F-it key. This is what you use to tighten down your mounts. If you can't do it, if you don't have the dexterity in your hands. We got your hardware, Allen key. They provide an extra bolt in case you drop it down the dash. Here's your passenger side mount. I love the heavy weight to this, and I love the little map detail on the back. Nice and solid. Let's go to the next box. Well, wham! You gotta have the swag. Every box has to have that. I love this company. There's your mag mount right here. Like I said, this is a non-charging. Nice weight to it. Okay. I'm gonna set that aside. Last but not least, the secret surprise that everyone needs. Everyone wants Stanley. I don't want no Stanley crap. I want Bulletpoint mountain solutions. Bam! Look at that bad boy right there. Love these people here. Truly appreciate it. So now when I'm drinking my coffee, my juice, my soda and all that, I got style, baby. First thing you want to do is grab your duck, set him aside. He did his job, protecting this dashboard. You're going to have your nails pry up. Take the two tabs out. It's just a rubber thing. It locks in right here and here. You're going to take the mount that they provided. This orientation, you see it lines up with the 4 studs that's already there. Simple as that. You're going to take your provided screws. 4 of them to be exact. They give you 1 extra. You just start plotting them in. I like this because it's sturdy, doesn't vibrate, keeps everything nice, fresh OEM look. Well done here. I'm pretty sure if you even wanted one of these that has 3 ball mounts that would take up this whole space here, pretty sure if you contact them and request it, they might be able to make you a custom order one that will hold 3 ball mounts. These guys are very friendly to deal with, and they know what their business is. After I get everything finger tight, I'm going to come with the Allen key. That's how you mount the passenger side mount. Now I'm going to show you how to mount the accessories for it. We're going to open up these brackets here for the ball mounts. Fairly wide because you got to open this right here to get over here. So fairly wide, if not all the way. Once it grabs in there, you can so just open it, lock it down. Take your wing nut. Not too tight because we still got to put the ball adapter in here. Do the same thing on this side. Like I said, this is the short one, so I'm going to put the mag mount on this side over here. Open it up just enough for the ball to go in, and we're going to tighten it down like that. I'm not tightening it up all the way until I get the phone mounted on there. My wife gets it the way she wants it, so we're going to leave it a little loose like this for now. And I'll show you what it ends up with. This is the F-it key. No one knows what the hell this is. Here's a, as you can see, a lot of people don't know what the hell it is, because I know I did it. So you're going to scan that, and it tells you right here, what is this? Scan me, which I did, and it shows you the F-it key, how it works. You're going to come up top. This is going to be groundbreaking news. You're going to take the key, put it in here, and you use it as a way to tighten the wing nuts, okay? You're not going to tighten this shit down so hard that you're going to snap anything. Just enough to get it nice and snug in case you don't have good dexterity in your fingers, okay? So this is what the F-it key is. So now you know the secret is out there, okay? Like I said, I'm going to leave this loose just for now. So I get the phone mounted up there and put it in where I want it. If your phone case does not have MagSafe capabilities, they provide you with a mag ring here, which you could mount to your case, if anything. And then you will have a MagSafe, non-charging probably, but you will have, see there's a snap on there, it locks it in good. So like I said, if your phone case does not have any magnets, put this in your case. And this damn thing is tight as hell. There we go, okay? That's what this is for, which they supply. This is, I tell you, a well thought out company, so there's no I need extra parts. They provided it. Now for the CB holder, which I have here, I'm going to open this one up. This one is called CB holder G2. I'm going to go over here and get our long extension rod. Same deal as the little one. Like I said, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I run my CB wires for the antenna, charging, and everything of this such. Boom. As you can see, no vibration, no noise, no nothing, okay? This is what you're gonna end up with. Nice sturdy mounts. They have even longer bars than this. You can put a bar with another bar, however you want. You can go higher, lower. They have a mounting solution for every single thing you can think of. Questions, comment, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Hope that video helped you. If it did, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Spread the word. The more the merrier. Take care, fellas.